How to see liked photos on Instagram in iPhone. First of all, go ahead and open up the Instagram application on your phone. You are now in the Instagram homepage. Here, you can view posts from friends and pages that you follow. Now, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile picture. You can view all your posts as well as your followers and following list from here. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Here, go to your activity. You can view and manage your interactions, content and account activity from here. Go to likes as shown. All your liked posts on Instagram will appear here. You can also sort and filter the posts according to your preference if you want. Tap on any post to view them. Following these steps, you can easily see liked photos on Instagram in iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.